last section is really about data set examples. I highly, highly recommend using Kaggle.com. So go to Kaggle.com and sign up for free. And then you can get tons of data sets, or free data sets. So just play with those, and then for an hour or two. And then if you get bored, just go to kernel, right? So Kaggle has data set, and then the kernel tab will tell you all of the work that people or the competitors have submitted for this data set. So you can actually walk through, look at what other people have done for the same data set and really learn from it. So I feel like that's how I learned the best from Kaggle. You can get the data set as well as example code. And then a lot of time the code is the best in the world. So definitely use Kaggle to get your data. And Reddit is, another source. And then SKlearn, right? SKlearn, this is one example. I just took it from the source, like from this link. I just copy and paste it in here. It has a few innate data sets like people always use when they start, learning data science. So this is Iris data set. I'm sure you've heard of this before, but it's actually very easy to get. So you will need to conda install SKlearn. So SKlearn is Python's library, so you have to conda install the same way that we did for other libraries. And then you can import it like this, right? From SKlearn, import dataset. So this is where the SKlearn datasets is, right? All of the datasets from SKlearn can be imported like this. And then you can say datasets.load iris or load other things, right? Movies or other things. And then you can call it iris. And then this is how you can split from like X and Y. So Y is your target and X is your feature matrix. So there are many, examples like this you can just find online. The code is here, but I would say SKlearn is another source of good data sets, but doesn't mean that they are the best data set. I would say Kaggle is good. Reddit is good. SKlearn, a lot of static data sets, traditional, or I would say like typical data sets that people use when they're trying to learn. And also Google it, right? A lot of times just Google, data set or image data set, dogs versus cats, anything that you want. Typically, you can find the actual data set online.